Oh, folks, let me tell you about this lap of luxury. Welcome to Toronto's waterfront, where the air is filled with the sweet scent of money. Yes, Princess Margaret bonus prize this year is the Toronto penthouse, PH. We're talking the 75th floor. I mean, you're so high, you might need oxygen in this case. And picture yourself going into the elevator with five other people, and they're pressing floor 7, floor 25, floor 36, floor 68. Whatever they do, you're like, okay, let them do it first because you're the last person to press. They're watching you to see where are you on this ladder, and you're hitting 75 mother F's. 75. You're hitting the PH button, penthouse. And they're all questioning their lives because you are at the top. You're looking down at everybody. This is the Sugar Wharf Condo. You don't want to live on the seventh floor like a peasant. No, you're in the penthouse, guys. And this is worth 1.2 million, and it's probably worth 8 million by the time this video is over. So let's get to it. It's just not a condo. This is like a lifestyle that you can tell everyone, hey, come on over, friends. Actually, there's more amenities than you will have friends. Okay, you got a pool, a gym, a spa, a theater. You name it, they have it. Anything you want to do, they got it. If you want to be reminded that you're better than everyone else, that's done. They got a person to tell you that. It has everything. And this balcony is 114 square feet of balcony. We're going to see in a minute. I mean, the views will speak for themselves, but I'm sure I'll have something to say about it as we go. So this is your kitchen. You got a little living space. You know how it is. There's not much to do. It's not much to see inside. It's all about the views, and that's what we're going to hit in a minute. This is a one bedroom plus den, 1.5 baths. So here you go. This is where you're going to sleep. If you do sleep, this is where you can sleep. And then there's a washroom to freshen up, do what you need to do. As you look down on all the people below you, you're on top of the world. You'll probably even be higher than the airplanes coming out of Billy Bishop. I mean, this is the peak of the peaks. This is it. This is what you've been waiting for. And I believe the draw is November 7th, and you have until October 27th to buy your tickets to get eligible for this prize. So I suggest you do. If you can afford if you can afford $100, this might be your year to get this condo and or some other prize within the Princess Margaret Home Lottery Fall 2023. Let's hit it. Boom. Let's go outside. This is your view. Like I said, 75 floors up. Oh man, like told you, you might need oxygen. Look how high you are. You're above everybody. You are on top of the world. This might be a bargain at 1.2 million, right? These days. So look at your view facing the south. I mean, this this feels like you're maybe in a Hollywood movie or something like that. It's pretty rad. And you have oh, no one says rad anymore. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, look at this. You have a balcony off of your bedroom, and you have another balcony off of your living room. I don't know why they have a partition because it's actually yours, but that's a partition right there. So you have a little privacy, I guess, from yourself. But anyway, so you have two balconies facing these amazing views. And yeah, I mean, and there's no point living in the high life in this penthouse if it isn't fully furnished. And it does come fully furnished, guys. We're not talking about furniture from IKEA. We got designers for that. This is so chic that even the walls are judging you. The walls are saying, you're not even fabulous enough, right? So look at this. It's just amazing. It's pretty amazing views. That's what you're getting here. It does come with a parking spot, right? You're asking, does it come with a parking spot? Yes, it comes with a parking spot. Does it come with a locker? Yes, it comes with a locker. All right, you're on top of the world, like I said. You're on the 75th floor. Someone on the 74th floor might be in the elevator with you. They hit 74, they're thinking that they're the best, right? Then you come around, hit 75. Boom. Knock them down. You just ruin their lives. Here you are, unless they're of course your neighbor on 75th floor, but then your besties, right? So let me know what you think, guys. Is this a prize that you'd be happy to have? Oh, and I should mention that you might want to know that it comes with $50,000 in cash as well. So you do have your locker, you have your parking space, you have 50,000 in cash, but you will have to fork out at least $500 a month for condo fees, and that includes, like I said, all that stuff: barbecue, fire pit. There's even like a hammock lounge. I don't know what the hell happens there. Everyone's sitting in a hammock. It's kind of weird, but anyway, they have that virtual reality room, so you can pretend. So I guess other people can pretend they're on the 75th floor. I don't know. A fitness center. I think it's over 25,000 square feet of fitness center. So this condo is basically all fitness center and hardly any living room space. So if you're into that, this is the prize for you. And like I said, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.